Hello everyone, and thank you again for watching these videos. I hope this series is helping you to navigate this Stuck and Mimic Pro new version. And thank you for your comments. That's very encouraging, and your likes. So in this opportunity, we will run round 7, which is basically a very short round because the only additional task you have is running a shopping ads. So, same as the previous round, you always have to go through your previous campaigns. Yeah, either search advertisement or display advertisement, and you're gonna have to optimize those campaigns. So in all different levels, okay. So landing page, keywords, ad groups. So my advice, guys, is if you haven't watched the previous videos, here I will leave the previous optimization videos where you will learn how to optimize your campaign, search advertisement campaign and display advertisement campaign. Take a look at that video and learn how to optimize based on different strategies. Okay. For this campaign, the objective is quite simple. You have to reach $20,000 in revenue across all your campaigns. You're gonna optimize always your campaign for American Dream product line, search campaign and display campaign, and you're gonna have to spend or allocate wisely your new budget, which is $14,850. Okay. And the main I would say challenge for this round is try to create a good shopping ad campaign that provides better revenue. So yeah, go to your landing pages, see how you can improve the copy, see how you can improve call to actions, unique value proposition, and play around with the different elements that are provided by the system. I would do definitely that for all my landing pages, especially for my product line. Second, go to your display ads and see how you can improve those display ads. To me, at this point, when you have already applied the previous strategy we have seen in this set of videos, I would say the next step would be try with different target audiences. If you are not getting good results for your previous display ad campaign, so if those results are not improving, I would say try with different target audience, with different customer personas. I have to say that display advertisement are not performing as good as search advertisement, and I think you have noticed that. So that is an indicator of where you should allocate your budget. So I would put more money on the ones that are giving me better results, and allocate less money on display advertisement if that is the case. Another thing for search ads, going back to search ads, is every round, what I noticed is every round the suggest bid will change. So if you go to your keywords, for example, that's what I'm going to do now, you will see that the suggested bid will change every round. It's not, always the same. So, you can spend some time adjusting your bidding strategy, making it more efficient for your cost per click, so you can get higher number of click or spend wisely your money. So that would be something that I would do. Again, I think the system recognized those changes. When you've gone through the changes on your previous campaign, you have improved those levels, you're gonna have to create a new campaign, which is a shopping campaign, right? So we'll see that basically is shopping campaigns are a new or different type of results in search engine result pages. So in this case, what Google does, or the search engine does, is determine which type of advertisement, what kind of advertisement will provide a better result in terms of conversions or click-through rate, and they will display the one that definitely will be better. Okay. So we have to work with keywords here. We have already selected our keyword set, but what we're gonna do here is select the negative keywords, and we will see that later. Okay. So first, to create our New campaign, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here and select the new type of campaign. So it's gonna be shopping ads, okay? And then we're gonna select, as usual, our goals. So we are trying to increase revenue, so consequently we will select sales. And then we're gonna name our campaign. So it's gonna be shopping ads, and I'm gonna name it number 1. And then you have to allocate your daily budget. So in my case, I'm gonna go with the max. So let me see, I think it's 180. No, 180. Well, 145. 145. You can see there. Yeah, if you go above that, like this, you will see here that says 145. That is my maximum. Okay. And then you have the default cost per click. You can always adjust that later, so don't worry. But I'm just gonna go with $2 and continue. Then you're gonna name your ad, base it on, you know, I mean, this is not relevant. That won't affect your campaign at all. It's just for identify your group later. So I'm gonna just name it okay, one. I'm gonna name it the same, and then I'm just $2. Now you have to name your group. It's gonna be American backpack, American Dreamline. Okay, American Dreamline Plus, because I'm also gonna work with other lines. So my CPC will be $2, and then here you have another very important decisions to make. So how you gonna group your products? Okay. So you have different ways to group your products, and you can see here you have some options in this drop-down menu. All products mean that you're going to be working with American Dream products plus all different products that Boohee has. By product lines like, you know, Legacy, OG, Switch plus American Dream, or by using a specific price range. Also, you can use a specific type of products, okay? So you can use American Dream line plus any type of backpack, any type of duffel bag, etc., etc. So this is up to you. I like to work with this because I have separated my keywords in different type of sections or groups. So I'm gonna work with this type of product grouping, okay? So here, when you have you know the selected your products, I'm gonna go with duffel and messenger and backpacks, which are the ones that I've been running previously. You have to set your max CPC, or maximum cost per click. So here I'm always suggesting guys to take this to 25% above the historical price. I mean, it could be a little bit more or less. That is something we will adjust later. Okay, so I'm gonna take this 1.72 plus 20% equals 2. So this is pretty simple. I'm gonna do the same with the other one. 2.1. Okay. Then I'm just gonna have to create my product group. So one of the things that I mentioned before is that shopping ads work with or associated to keywords. So basically, when someone type a keyword on search engine, the search engine will determine if that keyword will provide better result if it's the result shown as a text advertisement or shopping ads, which is a visual, you know, type of ads. So in order to don't wasting our money on keywords that are not likely to provide conversions, we select negative keywords, right? So here I'm gonna type basically my keywords, the keywords that I have selected here, and try to look for the negative keywords. And to me, the most important one, then always you can adjust this, right? You can optimize this, but you know, I would definitely start with the keywords, the branded keywords that are not that they have nothing to do with my product. So backpack, and you will see, like I don't have any wheel backpack, so I don't need this one. I don't want to show up with this, for this keyword. And then all the branded keywords, like, referring to brands that are not mine, like this one, Takan, Burberry, Nike, Calvin Klein, Steve Madden, and so on and so on. So I would definitely select those ones. Someone is looking for a Disney backpack and they, see mine, they're not gonna, click on that ad. And I'm gonna do this pretty quickly, okay? So I have created my list. I just select all the keywords I don't want to be ranking for, or I don't want to be indexed for, and I'm ready to run my campaign. I'm assuming that you already went through the process of optimizing your previous campaign. If that is the case, we can just run our round 7. I'm going to speed up the process to see the results. Okay, I have my results already. Let's take a look at it. So now you can see the overall search campaigns, display campaigns, and shopping campaigns. So pretty much I have allocated the whole money. Almost all the money was spent. My revenues were pretty good. I went like 10,000 above what is requested. And you can see that search campaigns are performing pretty well. So $20,000 are coming from my search campaign. Display advertisement is not performing very well, but all the money was spent. And shopping campaigns is surprisingly they are performing quite well. So they got me $10,000 in revenue when I invested $5,000. So yeah, it looks good. You can see here again all your search ads one by one, and see how they perform based on these indicators. All right. You can take a look at your display advertisement as well. I have 6 conversions in the backpack and just 1 conversion for the messenger. This is something I need to work on. And you can see the display ads in this new window or a new section. You can see your budget, how much you spend, and the revenue, which is, I would say, quite good. So we will see the optimization part in the next video. Okay. Once again, thank you so much for watching these videos. If you believe that this is worth to share, I appreciate your like. You can subscribe, and see you in the next video when we run the round 8. Okay. Bye bye.